Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni arikitie gukinya bururi-ini wa Faraja kuria amukiritwo ni mutongoria wa bururi ucio Emmanuel Macron. Icera riri ria kiwira rigitanywo kuhundura uteithio munene guku bururi-ini. Kwa ihinda riri mutongoria wa bururi ni arikitie gwikanirira ngirimiti 3 na murunawe iria irongoreirie guteithiriria bururi wa Kenya kwambika tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa nambere. Kuringana na barothi wa Kenya bururi-ini uyu Judy Wahungu, ngirimiti ya mbere igimainie na waki wa reri kuma tauni-ini ya Nairobi nginyagia kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta.
Our aspiration is to see that this commuter railway project, first of all, eases traffic in Nairobi, but it also eases movement of people within Nairobi. We hope that along the route and the surrounding areas, other businesses will be able to grow.
Ngirimiti iyo enge ikonainie na waki wa barabara nene ya kuma Nairobi guthie Mau Summit, tabarira iria tanyitwo kuhuthia mihango ya ukui miena itiganite guku bururi-ini.
This is going to be a dual carriage highway, and as all of you know, this particular highway is congested at the moment. So we hope that extending this highway, which is going to be about 200 kilometers, again, it will ease traffic on that particular very important route.
Ngirimiti ya gatatu na ya muthia ikonainie na tabarira ya utambia wa hinya wa thitima kuma mwena wa Menengai guthie Rongai. Wahungu akiuga thiriti ya Kenya na Faraja ironekana guthie na mbere guciara matunda. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduru.